The future of truss bracing is here, a revolutionary tool designed to save time and money. TrussLox, the most efficient and economical temporary truss bracing system in the world. The TrussLox system is perfect for contractors and builders who want a lightweight yet high-impact truss bracing solution. TrussLox can be put up faster than any other system on the market, reducing crane time and man-hours. TrussLox provides built-in locking technology that safely and easily secures trusses 24 inches on center every time. Installing TrussLox is simple. Just attach, hoist, snap, and secure. Made with impact-resistant material, TrussLox will withstand the wear and tear of any job site and can be reused, so there's no need to spend money on other truss bracing materials. Once you've used TrussLox, you'll never use another method again. TrussLox, the world's greatest temporary truss bracing systems. For more information, visit TrussLox.com.